Distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, GCON, President of the Senate, National Assembly Complex, Distinguished Senate President, request for confirmation of appointment of the Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. In accordance with the provisions of section 154, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the appointment of Professor Joash Amupitan, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Attached Shewi is his curriculum vitae, while hoping that the Senate will consider and confirm the appointment of the nominee in its usual expeditious manner. Please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. This is referred to the Committee of the Whole for consideration as soon as practicable.